Ujú. Bien, voy a filmar esto. I'm filming this as better as possible. This is very complicated for me. I'm sure it's very simple for another person. An electronic professional. Alright, I have another telephone. This is the cable, and I am frustrating because I have several application devices and many USB cables. So I'm going to point with the laser, with the lights. The objective is to use this telephone and use the port USB-C for data transferring and at the same time for charging. So these are the tools and the cables I have, and it's incredible. There are so many types of universal serial port cables, and there are letters also and symbols, and obviously many cables like this is complete. It's not a good idea, it's not practical to cut the insulation to see how many cables are and which colors. What I did is then there are cables that I could cut, I could damage, or just damage in one side. So I cut them. This one. So it's red, black, green, and white. Obviously in electronics in 12 volts, 5 volts, and 19 volts. These colors are red and black is giving the power supply, and the other two with the ground is giving the data. This one here is similar, red, black, green, white. At the other end, one has ferrite, this ferrite, for isolating noise, and this does not have it. And I can see it has the symbol of data. It's like the data is splitting in several ways, and it's for transferring data from a telephone to a computer, or from a telephone to another telephone, I guess. Yeah, to another telephone. So this has that symbol. It has a letter B. B of baby. This is very clear. It's very clear for me that it's only for charging. So it has no symbol. No symbol. And it has only two cables. This is not red. This is pink color and white color. And you can see this type of connector, like mini connector or micro USB, mini USB. Alright, this cable also has this data. So I want to use this telephone for charging and data at the same time. Right now, this cable is in a fast charger. It's charging the battery 90. Now it's in 90%. That is the cable that confused me a lot for charging the controller of the Sony PlayStation 3. Here is the symbol of USB data transfer, and this is the cable. So it says B and this symbol, data transfer. Look, but does not say letter B, like this. This is same is marked letter B, but this is letter A, and the symbol of data transfer, data connection. This is curious. Oh my god. And this side is the letter B, baby. Here A, angel, America. See, A, B. And this is B, but in the other side there is no letter, so I expect I do not know, A, no idea. And this connector is different. It's bigger than this connector. So this cable is the only one I have that I can charge the controller, and have another like this port, this plug, but does not work. Okay, this is the same port, the same plug. It has the symbol of data transfer. So I'm not going to do this in this video, but I'm going to take a risk of damaging this electronic, the telephone's electronic, when I do this. Connecting this splitter and this is a battery in a battery socket, mini USB 5-volt 1 ampere. And it has this connector, which is this connector, USB-C type. Over here you can see is mini USB, for the mini USB. So what happens if I connect a mini USB for data like this one? It's going to damage the electronics of this telephone. For example, if I connect this in some way here, let me see, and use this cable. Is symmetrical on both sides. No letters, no letter B or A. And one of these ports is blue. It means USB 3.0. So later I do this. And okay, now for this is another. And in this side of the cable I'm going to connect another device to be able to go not to mini USB, not to this, but maybe to this. It's too long video.